Today, I'm going to teach you how to do 4-4-4-4 breathing. This breathing technique can be useful when you're feeling emotionally triggered. Maybe you're really angry or something's got you feeling really anxious. This breathing technique will help you control your thoughts by thinking about your breath. It'll also help you regulate your heart rate, and that'll help you feel more relaxed. For this exercise, we're going to exhale all of our air, and then we're going to inhale for 4 seconds, hold our breath for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, and then hold our breath again for 4 seconds, and then repeat that 4 times. All right, to start, I want you to exhale all of your air. So breathe out. Now I want you to inhale for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now exhale for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want you to take a second and see if you feel any more calm. You can use this breathing technique in a couple of different situations. Maybe you're feeling overwhelmed at work. Maybe you're laying in bed trying to fall asleep, but all of a sudden you have a bunch of negative thoughts. Whatever stressful situation you find yourself in, give this breathing technique a try and let me know how it goes.